If you're looking for a travel trailer that's easy to tow, surprisingly well equipped, and endlessly adaptable, the Jay Feather is made for you. With its lightweight yet durable build, this lineup offers all the creature comforts RVers expect with smart, space-saving design. And with 16 floor plans, from cozy couples layouts to family-friendly bunkhouses with Murphy beds, outdoor kitchens, and more, the Jay Feather gives you options to choose from. So today, we'll walk through some of the Feather's standout features inside and out, share some solid construction details, and give you an overview of the vehicles that are best suited to tow these popular travel trailers. Now, the first thing you'll notice inside is just how bright and inviting these campers feel. LED lighting and light wall finishes open up the space, while darker furniture and warm, rustic residential vinyl flooring add a cozy balance. That seating isn't just for looks either, folks. Standard 4-inch high-density dinette cushions make mealtime comfortable. And in some models, you can go big with the Mega Lounger. Theater seating paired with a tri-fold sofa, complete with drop-in party trays for snacks and drinks. Or if you're after a more residential vibe, certain layouts offer the option to swap the booth dinette for a freestanding table and chairs. Comfort here isn't just about where you sit, it's also about the temperature. And every Jay Feather comes with a 13,500 BTU AC with directional enclosable vents to get cool air exactly where you want it. Need more cooling power? A 15,000 BTU upgrade is available, and many floor plans can even add a second bedroom AC when paired with 50 amp service, which is standard on most models. For chilly mornings, there's a high output LP furnace, and in many layouts, an electric fireplace for both warmth and, of course, a little ambiance. For entertainment, every Jay Feather includes an LED smart TV, a stereo with Bluetooth capability, and interior speakers paired with weatherproof exterior speakers, so you can enjoy your playlist both inside and out. A 14-inch Max Air power roof vent rounds out the living space with improved airflow. The living area is easy to darken down when you want movie night vibes thanks to decorative roller shades with a radiant barrier backer. Pair those with the dark tinted safety glass windows and you'll also get better heat control on sunny days. The Jay Feather's kitchen is designed to make campsite cooking feel easy, whether you're whipping up a quick breakfast or a full family dinner. Most models give you generous prep space on seamless residential style countertops, with certain layouts adding a kitchen island for even more room to spread out. A stainless steel double basin sink with a high-rise faucet and pull-out sprayer makes cleanup simple, and many units include a handy roll-up drying rack. Cooking amenities come from Jayco's Envision kitchen appliance package, which includes a 3-burner cooktop with oven and a microwave. Every model also gets an 11 cubic foot 12-volt refrigerator to keep your ingredients fresh. And you can look for thoughtful touches like a decorative kitchen backsplash and a pop-up power station in select layouts that's perfect for plugging in small appliances like a coffee maker or blender. Storage is just as impressive. You'll find oversized cabinets with handcrafted hardwood doors and drawer fronts, plus 75-pound full extension drawer guides that can handle heavier cookware. Screwed and glued cabinet styles and extra durability and plywood bases for dinettes, beds, and bunks mean the build holds up season after season. Now, when we talk about the bathroom, in most Jay Feather floor plans, it's going to sit mid-coach for easy access from both the living area and bedroom, which is handy for families or when guests are over. A few layouts move the bathroom to the rear, creating a more spacious, suite-like setup with extra storage. But wherever it's located, the bathroom comes well equipped. A skylight brightens the shower and adds headroom, while a powered roof vent helps clear steam and promote airflow. You'll also find a seamless countertop and an elevated faucet, plus a mirrored medicine cabinet for storage. The porcelain foot flush toilet is a real convenience, and the roller-style pull-screen shower door in many models saves space compared to a swinging door. Hot water's never in short supply either, thanks to the on-demand 60,000 BTU water heater, and the whole coach water filtration system means cleaner water at every tap. In the bedroom, comfort starts with a residential queen bed in most models, complete with gas strutted underbed storage in nearly every floor plan. For those who like to stretch out, select layouts offer a king bed upgrade, while others feature a Murphy bed that folds away to create extra daytime living space without sacrificing a good night's sleep. Bedside nightstands, 112-volt outlets, and USB ports make it easy to keep devices charged and essentials within reach. Generous wardrobe space and overhead cabinets add even more storage for clothing and gear. For families or hosting guests, select models feature double over double bunks, each with an impressive 600-pound weight capacity. That means these bunks aren't just for kids, folks. They're sturdy enough for teens or even adults, making them a truly versatile sleeping space. Now, depending on the floor plan, you might also find corner bunks that make smart use of space, or full bunk rooms with their own storage and privacy. Bunks also come with 4-inch soft touch mats, USB ports, and windows for natural light. Outside, from hitch to ladder, the Jay Feather's exterior is designed to make camping easier, safer, and just plain out more fun. At the front, a power tongue jack takes the strain out of hitching and unhitching, and a battery quick disconnect helps preserve your charge when you're not using the trailer. Just behind, you'll find dual 20-pound LP bottles with an auto regulator, ABS cover, and fill gauge. Plenty for cooking and heating on extended trips. Up front, you'll also find the slam latch baggage doors, which open to generous storage. Entry is secure and solid thanks to fold-down aluminum tread steps on the main door, paired with a swing-out assist handle for extra stability. And once parked, rock-solid stabilizer system helps keep things steady. Once you're set up, the max length power awning with LED light strip is your go-to shade and shelter. On most floor plans, you can use the rear receiver prep for a bike rack or other accessory, and many layouts also offer a bumper mount griddle or an outdoor camp kitchen with a galvanized steel base for very easy cleanup. Around the trailer, automotive-style aluminum rims are paired with American-made radial tires that feature self-adjusting electric brakes and app-monitored tire pressure monitoring system for great peace of mind while on the road. A rear ladder gives you roof access for inspection or maintenance, and the Overlander One solar package, which comes standard, includes a 200-watt solar panel with 30-amp digital controller to help keep batteries topped off. Practical touches continue with a black tank flush, an outside shower, and a climate shield insulation package that's been tested from 0 to 100 degrees. Which brings us to construction. Every Jay Feather is built with vacuum-bonded sidewalls with Asdel composite panels, an American-made Norco Z-frame, and Jayco's Magnum Truss roof system, so you can count on a solid, long-lasting structure wherever you roam. Jayco's renowned Magnum Truss roof system, paired with a durable PVC membrane backed by the limited lifetime warranty, delivers an excellent, fully walkable surface. Now, when it comes to towing, Jay Feather models range from just over 23 to nearly 38 feet long, with dry weights from about 4,800 to 8,000 pounds. Now, models under 6,500 pounds dry can generally be towed by properly equipped mid-sized trucks, such as a Ford Ranger, Chevy Colorado, or GMC Canyon, or larger SUVs like the Nissan Armada or Jeep Grand Cherokee. At the other end, heavier models that top out around 8,000 pounds dry are going to pair best with full-size pickups or large SUVs, such as a Toyota Sequoia or Ford Expedition. As always, you should verify your tow vehicle's maximum towing and payload capacities before hitching up. Lightweight, thoughtfully equipped, and built to last, the Jay Feather blends easy towing with residential comfort. See one in person at your nearest Camping World and find the floor plan that fits your adventures.